Hi guys, welcome back to Namro's vlog. And from yesterday our summer break started. And others have gone, but we are here and today Kenzum is going and now we are in the auto and Kenzum, how are you feeling? And I'll drop her to the bus stand and then I'll come back. So because my bus is at night 6:30 p.m. so it doesn't make sense to wait all the day over there. So I'll come back and then I'll go again. This is Bangalore. Yeah, da kanya. Eh, mang ba nyo mata this niya ke lamsan dira pa. Nyam ba nyo this. Yeah, 누가 내니더라. 근데 버스 스탠드 미망 보이라 어디 그거 this mom this one 가리나. Hi. 치기 뒤래.
One or two?
Huh?
Either two packets, huh?
Seven.
Anyway,
Eki. Chick 뒤래. Ah. Oh, metro to saying ati. Yeah, bye. Show Marlo Ginsom. Now I'm in the bus and from Mysore bus station it goes to metro station, nearest metro station from Mysore bus stand is Nandahari, and so till there I'll go in the bus. I'm in the bus and it costs 5 rupees. So convenient and I love traveling from my metro. Now I'm in the bus. After I got off from the metro, I took bus. It's 2 to 6 and from Chalagata to our college gate there's no traffic jam, so it's easy to take bus and it doesn't cost very high. It just costs only 20 rupees. So I'm in the auto heading back from Majestic, and I'll see you when I reach there. My bus is at 6:30 p.m. Oh my god, I finally got in the bus. Look at this. My seat is U4. Here it is. Now I'm finally on my seat. Oh my god, it's too hot because this is non-AC bus, but when you open the window, cool wind blows, so it doesn't matter. I'm finally here. I got off from the bus. This is Mapusa bus station. Oh my god, there's my bus. SPR.com. Lots of buses are there. I'm waiting for Kayachi to pick me up. He's coming, he's on the way. So here now I'm waiting. Here is Baya. Ama. Hazel! Miss Hazel! I'm finally in the car. Yes, Hazel. Hazel, hi. La Palma Residence. Hi.
Look who's coming home! Wasn't he a surprise?
can bark me. Hey, Hazel is happy.
बोल इधर आउटिंग उल्टी क्या गाड़ी में
पूरा निकल के धोया मैं
Turkish egg. What did you order?
I ordered the opening avocado toast. Sorry, the smashed avocado toasty.
And we'll show you.
So nice.
Do you want to say something?
I'm so excited. Look who made it to go off. Now she's with me for 10 days. Ishika's missing out. Tease here. Tease here, Ishika. Tease here.
Here comes our mango shake.
I'll try and see if I get through, Ishika.
Are you enjoying your mango shake? Here comes Turkish egg. What was yours?
Smashed avocado toasty.
Smashed avocado toast.
Feedback we have like everybody from the Delhi Bombay crew between us. Yeah, everybody from the Delhi Bombay crew between us we know. Yes. Yeah, we've met before also. And Alia is like
A close friend?
she used to be a neighbor back in Delhi.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean I'm not a Delhi kid. Cal Bombay kid, but I live here. Last 4
You
years.
must know my ship woman and all that.
For some time I was in Bali for 4 months. I was just like, no, I'm going to create a base there actually. So
Must.
yeah.
But in terms of investments and rental, you get 25%.
Let's go. A tour of this house. Here's Buddha stupa. Here's mirror. This is sitting room, living room, and I'm watching my own video here. And this is kitchen, and this storeroom. This is another room. This is toilet, and this is where I'm going to sleep. And outside it like this. Here's one poster, and this is cupboard. Here's small bookshelf, and look what it is. Hazel is sleeping. The other side from the house.
Corn and cheese with hot chili sauce.
And this is tropical
Sunrise?
twilight.
Twilight.
Yeah, tropical twilight. Good.
Yum.
Oh, good.
You have to let the cameraman try it also.
Yeah, I'll try.
You like it?
Yeah.
What does it remind you of? Anything? Or what kind of feeling do you get? Is it comforting?
It is.
Chicken katsu curry? It's a traditional Japanese curry which is made with chicken cutlet kind of thing and potato and carrot in the curry
Oh.
and sticky rice. Traditional. Yeah. So you should try it with the chicken and the rice. So yeah, the cutlet gets soaked in the.
Mm. Mm.
Yeah.
Sushi.
Garden veg roll.
Garden veg roll. Mm. Good. What? Oh. At last it tastes like butter.
So we have vegetarian ramen in front of us. You can see there's tofu,
Yeah.
there's a lot of scallions,
Mm.
there's noodles,
Mm.
there's bok choy,
Ah.
there's seaweed,
Seaweed.
and maybe a couple of things that I can't see, but yes, it looks pretty yum.
Mm.
It's very hot right now. Don't
Yeah.
try. I'm gonna give you the seaweed.
But you don't like?
Not a big fan.
Okay.
Maybe just in my roll,
Mm.
but yeah, Ishka loves it.
Mm.
Yeah. She loves it.
Now I'm going to end my video here. So thank you so much for watching. Bye. Good night.